Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be another DIY video. So I have been on Pinterest every single day. I need to stop saying Pinterest because I'm not sponsored by them. But I love Pinterest. That's like one of my favorite apps right now. But so I have been on Pinterest again, and I saw this pants on Pinterest. It's like a zebra print pants, and then I saw another pants like a sword design pants. It's on Shein. If y'all don't know what I talk about, the zebra print and the sword pants I talk about, here is on the screen right here right now. This is what I'm talking about. One is on Shein and the other one I don't know what's on, but I saw the price of it and I'm like, what? But I will talk about the price in a minute. But I put it on Instagram, on my Instagram story. Y'all have not followed me yet. It's Kimstylex -18. Gonna be one of the ad gonna be right here somewhere. But y'all should follow me on Instagram. But my Instagram will be popping soon. So I put on my Instagram story. I put the silver print and the swirl pants as an up or down pick. I was like debating like what should I do? I don't know what kind of DIY should I do. But I'll be honest with y'all, the swirl pants, I really want that pants so much. And it's on Shein, cost $24 on Shein, but like I could do that DIY, but that I don't know, that pants give me draw me the attention of the pants, and I really want it. One day I'm gonna get it. One day I'm manifesting. One day. And it's like a high waist scrunch pants, which I really love. I've been having this pants for a very long time and just don't know what to do with it. Now I can finally know what I'm gonna do with it. But yeah, here's the pants and stuff. And I'm just like, the shrub pant is a light wash jeans, as y'all can see, and the shrub waves is white. And I like, I can't do it with the bleach. But with this type of pants, I don't know about it. I don't know about it at all. I was like debating, thinking that one on the Instagram story the way I think, but I'm like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I want the pants itself. I know when I try to do that, no, it's not gonna turn out right, and I would be so disappointed, and like I'm not wearing the pants anymore. And I don't want to be disappointed in my own work. If y'all know what I'm saying. I'm doing the zebra point, the zebra. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I think I'm doing that with this pants. I know y'all put the swirl pants, but I can't do it. I want to, but my heart's saying like, you need the exactly pants. You need that pants. I don't know why it's calling out for me, and I need it. But the silver point, I saw on a website on Pinterest. They got shop, and I saw it, and it cost $338.
Wait a damn minute.
Yeah, y'all heard that one. $338. And I said, you know what? I could make that pants using bleach. That's it. And bam. That's the only way I could do it. But yeah, I would definitely gonna do the pants. That pants, I don't see. I mean, it's a zebra print pants, but I don't know why I like it so much. Give me a Y2K vibes anyway, so I need Y2K vibes in my wardrobe. So I'm thinking about doing that, and I hope it turns out like. Here's another pants. I am doing 2 DIY pants, and this is another one right here. It's not that, they're not low waist pants. It's kind of high by my waist. Yeah, they kind of high by my waist, and I will be doing the jean patches on the jean pants. If y'all know what I'm talking about, hit the screen on here. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like different color jean patches on the jean, and I really love that a lot. So I will be using this. These are these pants, and for the jean patches on this one, I think it's gonna look cute. Hopefully it turns out cute as I imagine. So sometimes the stuff that I imagine don't come out right. Hopefully this does. Yeah, I just can't wait for my upcoming video. Y'all want to see why I doing this, why, but you know, Tony, I love DIYing. So yeah, I'll show y'all the pants I will be doing and what the ideas will inspire me that go on this pants. So I can't wait for y'all to watch the whole video. Please watch the whole video. That will really be appreciated for me and for you. For you don't waste your money on no jeans. So I should get started with the DIY jean right here, right now, before it get too late. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. The toothbrush didn't work at all for me, so I used a paintbrush, one of my old paintbrush, and that works very, very well. So after I bleach my jean, I let it sit in the bag for like a minute. Then I wash it with water. I didn't use no detergent at all. Just wash with water. And then I put it in the bag for a minute again. So then I put it in a dryer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. On to the next. comment down below which one is your favorite, the bleach zebra print one or the jean patches one. I like the jean patches one. I really do. It's one of my favorite. I like the bleach one, but the jean patches one is got to be my favorite. But yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. I say comment always, so make sure y'all comment the video and hit that bell for notification. And make sure that y'all follow me on all of my social media: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and Pinterest. So yeah, I hope that y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.